Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you create unlimited Gmail account for your working purpose. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Probably you need create unlimited Gmail account for any of your region. So I will show you how can you create unlimited Gmail account for your working purpose. So for creating unlimited Gmail account you have to open any of your browser. I am simply opening Google Chrome. From Google Chrome I create here a new tab and here I have to search GOOGLE Google CLOUD Cloud Skill Boost. You can see here Google Cloud Skill Boost. You have to click here and you will can see here first link Google Cloud Skill Boost. You have to simply click here on it, and after clicking here you will can see here three dot line or three dot menu. You have to click here and you have to make sure your phone desktop side is on. I am simply on my desktop side and simply you have to click here signing. You can see here signing and you have to click here sign in with Google. You have to click here and there you have to provide it one of your Gmail account. I am simply provided it. After providing Gmail account you will can see here this kind of interface, and then you will can see here option explore. You can see here explore option. You have to click here on explore option. After clicking explore option you have to do it zoom. I am simply zooming it and you will can see here option format. You have to click here format and you will can see here lab option lab. Then you will can see here lab, and here you will can see here search bar. You have to search here ATOUR tour. You will can see here I searching a tour, and then you have to click here a tour of Google Cloud sustainability. You can see here second option, and then you have to click here and then you can see here option Google a tour of Google Cloud sustainability. You have to click here and then you can see here start a lab option. You can see here start a lab. You have to click here start a lab. Then you can see here your username. You have to copy it and password. This is your email address. So from here you have to get back and you can see I will log in my Play Store with the Gmail address and password. You can see here it's my Google Play Store. Simply I click here and click my profile icon, and then I will click here, and when I click add another account then I will paste here the ID which I copy earlier, and then I will paste here the password. Then you can see here I can log in through the password and through the Gmail account or email address. So this is the process of creating your unlimited Gmail account. You can see if I again go here in this page, in that page you can see, and you have to click here in lab and click here submit, and then you have to click here start lab again. Then you will can see here there another Gmail account or Google account have been created and another password have been created. So that's way you can create as many as you want. So this is a process of creating unlimited Gmail account for your phone or for your working purpose. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.